he let me slide the cat, I told him I'ma break it. Lost control in the track, hawk feel like a spaceship. Dropped my second mirror at 21, now I ain't basic. Niggas mad, they talk behind my back, they better face it. Grinding every day until a nigga really make it. Caught us up in traffic, 12 thought that we was racing. 12 thought they had us cause the whips, we was driving fast. Rest in peace Tavy, my little bro, he always did the dash. Quick to put my money in the bank, ain't never had to flash. I don't even need the gang around me, I be acting bad. I never really drink or like the party, but the game do. Let the money change, other niggas don't let it change you. My last two was yellow, but I rapped it, they thought it came blue. When I got that call on Tavy, I'm like it's A-True. Fuck the streets up, the whole city know our names now. You was hating on me, why the fuck you in my face now? What's the deal, gang? It's your boy Tez, right back with another banger, man. Y'all can see it is a nice day today. The sun is shining. Trying to send positive vibes all 2023, man. So anybody watching this video, man, I hope you have a great day. I hope you have a blessed day. Don't let nobody get in your way today, man. Whatever you want to do, go ahead and do it. Don't let nobody distract you. I told y'all all 2023, I'm trying to give y'all better content, more content, you know, and be a little bit more consistent. Shout out to her, man. She been showing love since they've been riding next to me this whole time. Like I was saying, 2023, I'm trying to give y'all the best content, and I'm trying to give y'all better content. I feel like I was slacking a little bit last year. I got a lot of good content, but I feel like I could have got more. I feel like I could have, you know, did a little better. So this year, I'm just diving all into it, man. It's a lot that's finna change. I'm getting new cameras this year. We building the car. It's a lot that's finna change, man, but we gonna save that for another video. I'll see by the title and thumbnail. We finna give my mom a ride today, man. She never drove in a Zl1 yet, y'all. She rode in my SS, but I never really got no content with it. The Zl1 is faster, so that's kind of better for her. So she wouldn't be that excited in the SS because the SS not as scary as this car. But I never really put my mom on the channel yet, so I hope y'all like this video. I know some of y'all probably want to see my mom, probably want to see what she look like. Me and my mom, them they got the same personality, bro. So if y'all think I'm funny, y'all think I'm goofy, just wait until y'all meet my mom, bro. Like, she's really a goofball, bro. I only got one video with one of my cousins. That video actually did good, so I can tell y'all like to see when I put my family members or, you know, close people on my channel or on videos. So this year I'm gonna do that more, man. I'm gonna give y'all more ride-alongs and stuff like that, you know, so y'all can see my family. I want y'all to actually meet my family. So stay tuned for today's vlog. I'm actually picking her up right now. Got this car behind me. And one more thing before we start the video, y'all. Shout out to Next Gen Speed. They are one of my sponsors. Y'all watched the last video when I got more carbon fiber for the inside. Y'all can see I got the shift knob, got the little part right here, right above the glove compartment. Y'all see got some more carbon fiber right here as well. So I got some for the steering wheel, but they did not send both sides. They sent two right sides. As soon as I contact them and I let them know, they literally sent me this left side right away. Y'all can see I already got it, y'all. It wasn't a hassle. It didn't take a day, 2 days. Literally right when I told them, you know, they messed up, they sent me the wrong part, they messaged me and said they're gonna send it to me ASAP, and it came literally in 2 days. So huge shout out to Next Gen Speed, man. I can see when it comes to business, they don't play. They literally get the job done. If they mess something up, they gonna make sure they fix it for you. Yeah, they just made it way easier than ever. Like, they sent me a shipping label, that way I can send the other part back, so they didn't make me pay for it or nothing like that. So I do have a discount code, so if you need anything from Next Gen Speed, you can use my discount code, The Real Tez, in all caps. Yeah, man, I hope y'all like this vlog, man. I'm gonna try to surprise her. I want to slide it, y'all, because I know for a fact she never been in no car while somebody drifted it or slid it. So I'm gonna try to find a spot where I can slide it. If not, I'm gonna for sure just get a little loose when I go around corners just so I can scare her. But if you new, hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on these fire uploads. I'm gonna cut the GoPro on as soon as my mom come out the crib and hop in the Z, man. Here she come, y'all. She on the phone, y'all. My mom always on the phone.
You gotta go back.
You never finna be on the phone the whole vlog.
Is we vlogging now?
Yes.
Oh, Connie, I gotta get off of here.
Tell Connie I said what's up.
Cortez said, what's up, Connie?
Tell her she gonna be in the video. We gonna shout her out.
She said, you gonna be in the video, we gonna shout you out, so make sure you watch it. She said she wanna be in the car next time.
Yeah, I told her I got her whenever.
Whenever you ready.
I said I want to put more family members.
We need to ride up that way, because that's where we will see more people with fancy cars.
Where, Indiana?
Yeah.
Yeah. You gotta say hi to the channel. The camera right there.
Hi.
Say hi. Yeah, man, I got some real good subscribers. They're probably gonna leave some good comments in the video for you.
Oh, that's good. I thought I was, you know.
Said what?
You don't gotta do all that right now. pick somebody up from the city, and they as a matter of fact, it was me and my cousin Murphy.
You drove it for him?
I don't know why I was driving, but it was like winter. It was icy, and I got on the bridge.
Yeah, it was meant to happen. You probably needed Camaro now.
Oh no, it was too fast. I was scared for my life. It was winter too.
It was an older one or a newer one?
Older. Well, I mean, that was already like past 10 years ago. So
Yeah. I want to go to this spot. I want to go to this spot out here. This slide.
see, I wouldn't like if I was driving and you was coming up behind me like that.
Why? You
Cause
get scared?
I brake check.
People got places to go. You gotta
Yeah,
think.
but still.
It could be emergency. You could be here hurt. You might don't know that. I could have to poop. You gotta hurry up. For real.
Well, you probably gonna have to make an accident because
You see, out of all my sisters, who do you think I should do a vlog with first? Because I only did a video with Jariel.
I know I seen it.
I ain't really do no with TT, Kyra, Deja.
Well, you can't do one with Kiki right now.
She pregnant.
So
Yeah, so y'all, if y'all didn't know, I do got 5 sisters. I got only one brother, 5 sisters. Let me see, where should I go? Where should
I think it probably should be Deja because she funny.
Deja, I should
Yeah.
do it.
Yeah.
I should have went in there and slid it. Actually, I'm about to
And do what?
slide it.
Don't slide what? Us?
Hard, yeah. It's gonna be quick. We're gonna hurry up and get up out of here before the police come. Fast. Tell them you ain't scared of the car, so I'm gonna have to slide it. It's only right. You know, if the police come get us from that, I'm gonna say you was driving.
So?
You would do it?
Yeah.
I'm gonna say I'll pay for your ticket. Pay for the court and all that.
I'll be like, come on now. I don't even got a traffic violation. So what y'all gonna do to me?
Let's just do it one more time, bro.
No, I'm gonna get sick.
I'm worried about getting sick. I'm worried about the police. It's a perfect spot.
Don't keep doing it.
I'm not.
Cause I do
Wait,
not.
you want me to do one little turn?
Yes. Cause I do not like it. It be making me feel sick. I get motion sickness.
It's a spot right here. You can't even see. Perfect.
Them people back there is gonna be watching.
Where? Right there?
Yeah.
Yeah, alright. You're so scary.
I don't like stuff like this.
It'll be quick and fast. You don't hit a pole.
Right.
You see them both. I put them both on this time. And these people probably look like, what the hell was
Yeah,
this?
what he
They
about
gonna call
to
the
do.
police. For y'all though, it'll be worth it. I hope it was a fake screen.
No, I was trying to get it out.
I just throw burn rubber, man.
Yes,
I definitely need some new tires.
Yeah, the ride is a smooth ride, but I just don't
fast.
like the spinning. And I thought that I wanted to spin.
Yeah, I said that though. I said I wanted to take you on a spin. I don't think you ever. Have you ever been in a car that spun?
No.
Yeah, so, yeah, but you ain't even scared of this car. Everybody's scared of it but you. That's alright. Next year you're gonna be scared of it. For real.
I don't want to be scared.
Boy, you can't be riding something you're comfortable with, that you're bored with.
How long is you gonna keep this peak?
What, the inside?
So say my mom drove it. They can run me up and everything. They gonna be like, they ain't gonna do nothing. I have a perfect driving record. Now this is what I don't like.
What?
It's how to get out.
Yeah, and everybody be scratching my piece right there. Y'all can see I just dropped my mom's off. It's so funny, man. I don't know why she really don't like when I slide it. I see she like when I take her on a ride, but I don't know, man. My mom just the OG, bro. She ain't scared. Usually when I take anybody else, they be scared, bro, like how fast and how crazy the car is, but she is not scared, bro. That really just shocked me. I ain't gonna lie, I thought she was gonna be scared. Like I said, my mom like OG, she ain't scared. She had a Charger back then. That might be the reason why she ain't scared. Y'all leave a comment, y'all let me know what y'all think. I'm gonna get rid of these GoPros, man, because I keep having too many problems with them, y'all. Last time I did the ride-along video with Flash, the same thing happened, y'all. Like, this GoPro 8, it just stopped working. I don't know if I need a new battery, a new SIM card. Y'all really don't know, but I'd rather just get rid of it and just get a 360 camera so I don't even gotta worry. So, if anybody want a GoPro 7 and a GoPro 8, y'all can hit me up. The GoPro 7 worked perfectly fine. The 8 worked fine, too. It just keep shutting off and cutting my videos. And like I said, it could just need a new battery, it could be a SIM card, but right now I don't got time to be trying to figure out. So if you want it, if you want a GoPro, y'all hit me up. I'll probably post them on my Instagram, but I'm gonna see y'all the next one, gang. I'm out.